This is tomato tokku in Tamil. You can call it tokku or pickle or chutney. It's very tasty. So, hi friends, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Let us see how to make tomato tokku today. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon to receive notifications from us. So to make this tokku, we have taken 1 kilo ripe tomatoes. Ripe tomatoes give a nice taste to this tokku. So apart from these ripe tomatoes, we also need 1 teaspoon asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds or rye, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon tamarind or imli, half teaspoon fenugreek seed powder or methi powder, 1 tablespoon jaggery or good. And we also have taken 250 milliliter or 1 cup of sesame seed oil. You can reduce oil if you want, but we like more oil in the tokku. As the tomatoes are ripe, they are not very sour. So we have added tamarind to this. But we do not want to add any water to it. The tomatoes will ooze out water and the tamarind will get moisture from it. So what we are going to do is we are going to put a little salt on the tamarind and add the tomatoes to it and keep aside for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes we have taken them all in the mixer jar and we are going to grind in batches without adding any water. This is very important. Do not add even a single drop of water. So the paste of tomatoes and a little tamarind is ready. So now let us begin to make the tokku. Now heat some sesame seed oil. When the oil is hot, add in the mustard seeds. And when the mustard seeds crackle, switch off the flame. Now our flame is off and we have added in asafoetida or hing powder. Because we have added 1 teaspoon, which is quite a huge quantity for asafoetida, and we don't want to burn them. And now add the tomato paste very carefully. Take it low near the pan and add it. And now also our flame is switched off. We have to take care because this paste tends to splutter a lot. Now mix well. So we are not going to add water even when we are removing the remnants of the tomato paste from the mixer. Take out as much as possible with your hands, but do not add a single drop of water. Now we have switched on the flame and we are going to keep the flame medium to low throughout. This is because if you keep the flame high, it will thicken very fast, but the raw smell of the tomatoes will not go. That's why it's important to cook on a low to medium flame throughout. And the pan in which you are cooking the tomatoes should be a little bigger because, as I said, this mixture tends to splutter a lot. Now, after 5 minutes of stirring, we have added in turmeric powder and red chili powder. Now let us mix this well. Add salt. We have added everything except the jaggery and fenugreek seed powder. Jaggery and fenugreek seed powder will be added much later after the mixture begins to thicken. Now it has started thickening. As you can see, the oil has started floating on top. Now it's time to add the jaggery. We've added in the jaggery now and methi powder or fenugreek powder. But there is still some moisture in it now. So it should take around 5 to 7 minutes for the moisture to entirely dry up and for the mixture to thicken more. So after adding jaggery and fenugreek seed powder, we'll wait for 5 to 7 minutes. We'll keep stirring. Now it's 7 minutes and we have switched off the flame. Now it's important that we allow it to cool completely. And even as it is cooling, we should not close it with a lid because then there will be moisture inside. So if you want to cover it, then you can cover it with a clean cloth. That way air can also get in, but it will not leave out moisture. So now our mixture has cooled and our tomato tokku or pickle is all ready. Doesn't it look so yummy? Now let us serve this and show you. As I said, this is a very versatile tokku. You can have it with just plain rice, add a little bit of sesame seed oil on it and add this and have it like that, or have with rotis or bread or idli or dosa. With idlis, it's the best combination. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye for now. Take care.